Welcome to ORG Autocar, your ultimate destination for the latest car news, reviews, and updates from around the world. If you're passionate about luxury, performance, and innovation, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because today, we're diving deep into something truly spectacular. The all-new 2026 Mercedes CLA, officially unveiled and ready to redefine the compact luxury coupe segment once again. Mercedes-Benz has taken a bold step forward with the 2026 CLA, blending timeless design with futuristic technology. At first glance, it's clear this isn't just a refresh, it's a complete evolution. The exterior design showcases a sleeker, sportier profile with more sculpted lines and a wider stance. The front grille now carries the signature Mercedes star, prominently integrated into a three-dimensional digital panel, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights that give the CLA a fierce, confident look. From the side, the coupe silhouette is even more dramatic, with smooth curves flowing effortlessly from front to back. The new aerodynamic design not only looks stunning, but also improves efficiency. Around the rear, the CLA gets an elegant yet aggressive finish. A full-width light bar, redesigned bumper, and integrated diffuser create a perfect mix of elegance and sportiness. Step inside, and the 2026 CLA truly feels like a glimpse into the future of Mercedes interiors. The cabin is fully digital, featuring the latest MBUX Hyperscreen setup that stretches across the dashboard. Every detail has been crafted with luxury and precision. From ambient lighting that can change with your mood, to the use of high-quality, sustainable materials that Mercedes proudly emphasizes as part of its new eco-friendly direction.
Under the hood, Mercedes offers a range of next-generation powertrains. The standard CLA 250 gets a refined mild hybrid system with improved efficiency and smooth power delivery. But the real excitement lies in the AMG versions. The CLA 35 and CLA 45 are expected to pack even more punch, with power outputs rumored to exceed 400 horsepower in the top trim. Paired with Mercedes' latest 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, this CLA isn't just about luxury, it's about performance that thrills. Technology-wise, Mercedes has loaded the CLA with the most advanced driver assistance features in its class. From adaptive cruise and lane centering to automated parking and even semi-autonomous driving modes, the CLA continues to bridge the gap between human and machine. There's also a new AI-based voice assistant that understands natural commands better than ever before, making the experience both intuitive and futuristic. Mercedes has also announced an all-electric version, the CLA EQ, built on the new MMA platform. This variant promises impressive range figures, lightning-fast charging, and zero emissions, aligning with Mercedes-Benz's vision of a fully electric future by the end of the decade. In summary, the 2026 Mercedes CLA represents a perfect blend of elegance, performance, and innovation. It's a car that captures the essence of modern luxury while pushing boundaries in technology and design. Whether you're a driving enthusiast or a lover of fine craftsmanship, the new CLA is set to impress on every level. That's all for today's video on ORG Autocar. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the stunning 2026 Mercedes CLA, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from the world of automotive excellence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.